There's that bait right there. He flew into the line, so I don't want him to. Yeah, if you can just sneak up by him and bring the rear end of the boat. It's all right. We're going to help you. Yeah, he wrapped his leg in his. Yeah.
I'm going to reach down and grab the line.
Okay.
I'm just going to cut it.
Yeah. But go ahead and cut it, but.
I don't even have my thing on my side.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I got him. He's just tangled around the. You're okay, bud. We're not going to hurt you. You got cutting it won't help. Ah.
Yeah, well, because then you can just pull the line.
No, it's wrapped around his beak. So what I need to do is take my jacket off.
And wrap him up.
Yeah, because he's going to want to peck me to death. He doesn't know what's going on.
He's going to wrap up in the rest of your line.
No, I'm going to keep it away. I'm going to keep it away. I'm going to keep it away. Don't you bite my leg, buddy. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. All right, boys. All right, guys. You're in the quill system here, buddy. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. Oh, crap. There we go. You're okay. No. Don't. The less you do, the better you are. Ready, Freddie? You ready, Freddie? He flew right into the line. He didn't. That's why I wanted you to go there, because I'm like, he's at least 24 inches away from the hook, but I didn't want that hook anywhere near him. Sweet. Well, we got the surf and we got the turf.